Hi, welcome to the workshop for the Moodle Gradebook. We're doing a filmed version for those of you who were not able to attend, and we are going to be looking at the gradebook inside of Moodle by clicking on Grades in the administration block. And once you've clicked on Grades, you have the Grader Report default view. And another view is if you click on Categories and Items. And inside of here you'll notice Journal 1, Grade, Wonderful Web Pages Webinar. If we go back to the default view, you'll see it's in that same order. Journal, Grade, Wonderful Web Pages Webinar. So inside of this tab, Categories and Items, is where you sort your grades into the order that you want them. Another thing that you can do inside of Categories and Items is add a category, and this is for organizational purposes. So we'll call this particular category Graded Items, and we will leave everything as default. Scroll down, click Save Changes, and if we scroll down inside of here, we now see this added category, but there's nothing inside of the category yet. So let's select a few items that we are definitely going to grade, and with selected items, move selected items to, and then we choose that graded items category. So now we have inside of the category these three grade items. So we're going to create another category called Ungraded, because these items are in there, they're activities we want the students to do, but we are not going to grade them. So type the name in, Ungraded, and scroll down, click Save, and we have now two categories, and we're going to move all of the other items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move selected items into this ungraded category. So we now have two categories, and the categories are bounded in blue. They're the blue boxes. And the default in Moodle is simple, weighted mean of grades. But since we are going to only grade these and not grade these, we're going to set this up as weighted mean of grades. And as we do that, we end up with a weighted category. So we'll set this at 100% because those items will be graded, and we'll leave this ungraded category at 0%. So that category will not count towards the student's grade. And let's save changes. Alrighty, and then one other thing that I want to show you is inside of the grade area, you can add a grade item simply by clicking on Add Grade Item. We'll name it Participation, and the default is 100 points. I'm going to change that to 10. And as we're creating this, we can go ahead and add it to a particular category. I'll add it to the Graded Items category. Save changes. And now we have all of our grade items inside of the Graded Items category, and all of the things that won't count towards their grade inside of the ungraded category. So let's go back, take a look at the default view, which is the Grader Report, and we now have grade items as a category and ungraded as a category. And there are three different views. I can look at just categories, just activities, or categories with the activities in them. That's the gradebook in Moodle. It's simple. If you need more instructions or you need help with your particular class, please come to the alcove and we'll work in the alcove. Thank you.